Alright, hey guys, what's going on? So if you guys are coming in from TikTok, welcome to the YouTube channel. Drop a subscribe. I come here to talk a little bit extra about the Ethereum and the crypto market. Lots to talk about today. Now we are at a crucial point with Ethereum. Now again, everything I say here is not financial advice. I've been developing a strategy within the last month of being in this market. I am not a long crypto holder. I'm not any of those things, which is probably the best thing that you're going to hear. You may have been at a workplace before where you're a 30-year veteran and you're coming in and you're doing a job. You just can't get it figured out. You just can't work it, whatever. If you're a mechanic, if you're a millwright, if you're a tradesman, if you're a teacher, if you're a doctor. And then as soon as this new person comes in who has little to no experience and gets the job done. That's what I've been doing here with Ethereum. If you guys haven't been following my channel, or you guys haven't been following my strategy, just please listen, because I don't like seeing people lose out in thousands of dollars when they could have avoided this. Now, right off the bat, people say reading charts is impossible. People say they can't do this. It's not difficult at all. You need to treat this as an investment. Just like gold and silver, it is an asset and it is a stored value for your money. Right now, it's all just hype. Like it's all just the YouTubers stretched this out. They made thousands and thousands and millions of dollars off stretching this out, and now it's to this point where, people will stop believing in them. And I knew this was gonna happen before everything happened. Like, yeah, sure, this is going to go up again. I assume that, but is it gonna go up to 2,000 again? I'm skeptical now. Why? For a few reasons. Now, right off the bat, I knew that there was going to be this huge downward spiral, and it was going to stop, I'm assuming, somewhere at, I'm going to say 1380, where it kind of dropped this morning. Now, that's what I'm going to say. It's going to stop around here. Why? It's because there's a lot of support at that level. Now, I think we could get back down there, and then once we're back down there, you're really going to have to just sort of sit down and think about, okay, where's the market going? What's going to happen? Are people going to start dumping in money? Are investors going to start coming in? Right now, you really got to think, obviously, this is not a stable market. You should not be in a market that you can't predict, or at least somewhat have an understanding of where the market's going. Obviously, it's very difficult to predict a market, but you can get into a market at a certain point where you're going to make money. As long as you follow this, guys, or if you don't even want to follow it, just start following my channel on TikTok or on YouTube. I post about this, and I just post my opinions. Again, this is my money. I'm a 9-to-5 worker. I wanted to make a little bit of extra money on the side, and I did. Thankfully, I got out, before all of this stuff happened, because like I said, I just didn't believe in it. So a couple of reasons why I predicted or thought that this was going to go to where it is right now, and I continuously think it's going to go lower, and we're going to stop around 1380, and then we're going to have a huge uptrend again. Now, do I think that that's going to be a huge uptrend, to 3,000? No, I have not seen this market. I don't think anyone can judge that. All the big YouTubers were saying that it was going to be 3,000 by the end of February. That's in 5 days. Good luck with that. People were saying it was going to be 2,500 USD by Valentine's Day. Yeah, good luck with that. You already failed. I'm the only person that, yes, I've been wrong to buy out at some certain points as it continuously went up, but I actually take out profits and actually enjoy having those profits. I don't want to lose out on any of that stuff. These candles right here just justify a downward trend within this 30 minutes. I'm going to change this to an hour. So within those hours, there are downward trends. Now, you can see there's 1, 2, and there's another one developing right here. Every time I've seen one of these long candles that go like 100 USD from where they actually sort of had a little bit of support, it consistently went down. That's one of the reasons why I think this is going to 1380 again, and that would be literally right now 100 USD. Like, this is the only candle that kind of did that, but it's still not as long and substantial as these ones. Look at them. They're insane. Like, to me, that is just an outlier. That is just something random that is showing us, okay, something's about to happen. You guys are at that point now where if you believe me, if you don't believe me, that's fine. Worst comes to worst, if you were in the profits right now, say you got in at 1380 or 1280, where I actually told you to get in at, And again, I told you get into 1280 like months ago. If you guys are there, if you guys want to hold and save any of your profits, I mean, go to you. If you guys think you're too far gone and you're up too much, now you need to double down. Go to a casino and see what the people do there. They have the exact same mentality. All the big YouTubers, they're in the exact same mentality. They're all just degenerate gamblers. That's all it is. When I say all of them, obviously I don't watch every single person crypto, but I'm talking about the big crypto users, the largest crypto user on the whole space that literally is manipulating the market, and he's been doing all he can to try to pump this so that he can make his earnings. But honestly, in the back of his mind, he doesn't care, right? Like, why would he care when he has a YouTube channel making him millions of dollars a year? If we go back and we look at this from 5 years ago, okay, and I made a TikTok of this yesterday. Now, we still have 5 days and 14 hours to get through this. So these are week-long candles that you're seeing right now. As you guys can see, this market didn't last as long as ours did. And why I think we got past this and we were stuck here, right, for a while, is because of the manipulation of the market. The YouTubers told us all to get into this and pushed us past the euphoria stage or the old bounces that we had before and pushed us into what we're going now. We have a huge correction going on. Now, if you look over here, this is 2017, and you can see, okay, it started the uptrend on this green weak candle right here. There's a downtrend, then we got to here again, and we had another red candle. If we look over here, red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle. Get up to this point, and we have this peak. There's that little green little nib. There's this little green little nib. And now we have a solid downward trend. As you can see, if this red candle outweighs this green candle for this week, I can see us going back into the bear market. Now, when I say it's going back in the bear candle, as you can see, it did have a little pump at that end in May, right? And that could happen again, and I assume it's going to happen again. Have we hit our peak? I don't know. Something has to happen to this market where I hear something, there's news, there's something that allows me to think that is possible. Because right now, we made some money. I made some money, I can tell you that. The easiest money I ever made was literally investing in Ethereum. For the people who literally just invest at 1,400, anything under 1,400 is good, and you just had a great month and you just lost all your profits, I feel bad. Taking profits is my number one strategy that I talk about on YouTube, on TikTok, and in the entire space. I would do this with stocks. I would do this with everything. So right now, I would be very, very skeptical of what you're listening to. I would keep the people accountable. All the big YouTubers need to come out and they need to say that they were wrong. They were absolutely brutally wrong, and they were trying to manipulate the market by having you guys invested in. Now, they're going to tell you, oh yeah, diamond hands. Oh yeah, hold. This is just a good time to get all of the other people out of the market. Yeah, sure. Those could all be true things, right? With Bitcoin, I understand that. With Ethereum, not so much. Ethereum doesn't have a cap. There's no cap on how many Ethereum are out there. Bitcoin, there's only going to be 21 million ever mined, right? I understand that understanding to get most of the people out. Now, again, I could see Bitcoin being the better investment because it's proven itself more, and of that whole idea of 21 million are only going to be in existence. Holy crap. Literally, as I'm saying this, I have never seen this arrow in the sell before in my life. All the Twitters out there, all the Instagrams that post updates, last night they were saying all negative things about Ethereum. You need to just be invested in this. I'm just saying, be safe out there. If you guys want a legit, gonna give it to you, transparent, please follow the YouTube channel, subscribe, give me a like down below, comment below what you guys think about this. Also, go follow my TikTok. I'm on there posting every single day. I'll probably post a few times today because today was a big day, right? I'm not invested in Ethereum at all at this point. I'm gonna wait until the solid uptrend and I see some support and some resistance. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and hopefully you guys did not get wrecked. As always, let's play it off with some music.